Some of the relief that I got was quite instant, or by the end of the session, really, there was noticeable improvement in either the look or the pain of the scar. That was quite indicative that there's something to this and it's not just like hooey, that there's actual benefits and actual relief and actual results. And the more I worked with her, the better the appearances of some scars got and the less painful they became, to some of them just having no pain at all.
I found Marjorie to be very sweet and calming, very confident about how she can help me now and as the time goes on in the future with what I currently had, the wound vac scar, and my previous pain that I've had for many years, having fibromyalgia. I felt immediate relief actually on my first appointment with her, and it was a very comfortable atmosphere. She's very creative, so she's got a very cute, welcoming office, and you could either be inside or outside depending on your comfort level, because I mean, we are in COVID. So it was just a very nice atmosphere, and she's 5 minutes away. So I really couldn't get any better than that.
Marjorie is extremely thorough. I like her approach in doing this, and she uses different modalities. You know, obviously there's a lot of physical hands-on work, which is impressive. She also uses some instruments to reduce the scar. So I liked her overall approach.
She's very big on the body, like life, the life that's happened to you lodges in your body. So if you've got something going on in your body, there's probably a parallel thing in your life, and vice versa. You know, if something's going on in your life, it's probably showing up somewhere in your body. I could tell that she understood the science of it in a like she was thinking for herself kind of level, and was drawing her own conclusions that I hadn't heard anywhere else, and I don't think are anywhere else. But it was from a standpoint of just really, because I'm the same way. Like when you really study it and understand the science, there's a lot of like, it seems like you should be able to encourage the body to heal for itself if you know how to manipulate it the right way, or not, I wouldn't say manipulate, support it the right way. So that was how I came to find her, and exactly what she was. It was amazing. I loved it so much.
Well, I felt a change, more so a release after the very first session. I knew when I finished, I remember telling her I felt that something had happened and shifted within my body, and I was kind of shocked that it happened so quickly. I felt very positive all of a sudden. I felt like a happy feeling come over me, because that knowledge that I have been carrying around for so many years, for the first time, I felt like a tiny shift, that maybe that wasn't the truth, and that I could, change and go back to how I was before.
I just thought she's so knowledgeable. And, I mean, anyone who's dealt with scar tissue, when someone's touching it, there's definitely a different feeling in the way it feels in it's almost like a burning sensation that's very unique feeling. I mean, if you get it massaged, they're hitting scar tissue. And so I just don't understand why more people don't talk about it, or doctors don't let you know. I mean, imagine how it would have been if I had gotten this treatment, in 2014, when I had all the problems, how much pain I could have, not have dealt with. I want people to know that there's an alternative way of dealing with this, and not just having to sit around and be in discomfort all the time. She also creates such a beautiful area. I mean, you feel like you're walking into the most relaxing, peaceful. I was a little nervous because of COVID protocol, but we wore masks. She had the place sanitized. I felt extremely safe. We were outdoor in a kind of indoory tent. So I felt like we were very safe. And this is a person that knows what they're doing. I mean, unbelievably talented. And you can just tell by the first minute that she touches you that she is gets in tune with your body. So, and I've been a person that's having a massage my whole life. So, I mean, I was blown away by her work, and I'm a very, very ardent fan.